So, bumili ka ng sarili mo ng bago mong keyboard, but yung sound is a bit off. So, it went from this to this. Well, today, nasa tamang video ka na, buddy. Kasi tuturuan kita kung paano i-mod ang Lakshmi K606R. By the way, itong spacebar na to, na-mod ko na. Ito yung pinag-practicean ko eh. So, let's continue with the mod. So, after ko na-remove ang mga keycaps, tinago ko muna siya sa tabo para hindi nakasiksik sa lamesa. Para hindi rin nakarang sa video ang mga keycaps na to, na nakakalat lang. So, ito yung nakaayos na spacebar na switch at naka-band-aid mod. After ko matanggal yung mga switches sa PCB, nakita ko ang PCB at saka ang mounted plate. Nakita ko na meron pang yung lube dun sa PCB kung saan nakapwesto yung stubs at saka madumi yung plate. What I did is some alcohol and cotton buds to clean the lube from the PCB, and I used some baby wipes to clean the plate. Ito yung plastic case nya, the PCB, and of course the metal plate or aluminum ata to, hindi sure. Natanggal ko na lahat at nalinis ko, ginawa ko na ang band-aid mod. I did all four sides because I don't think it's right and I don't think it's the proper method, but yun yung yung gusto ko gawin. So kung anong gusto mo gawin, go lang, hindi kita pagbabawalan. So ito na nga siya ang finished product ng pag band-aid mod ko. Ito naman yung foam na bili ko lang to sa hardware for 25 pesos. Yung una kong nagawa ay 10 cm yung height niya, and ngayon inayos ko na siya, kinalahati ko, so ginawa na siyang 5 cm para hindi umangat ang PCB tuwing ina-unscrew ko siya. So after that was finished, I proceeded with cleaning the stabilizers. So here, we're going to clip the stabs. Just follow the video that I'm showing you guys. Normal nail clipper lang ginagamit ko dito. So yun, pag contento ka na sa pag-clip mo, all goods na tayo. You may proceed doing the other stabilizers. Then once you lube the stabilizers, just put them back in the PCB. Plate mounted nga pala siya. So checking for wobbliness. So proceed tayo sa pag-open ng Outemu switch ng walang switch opener. So first, pry the sides of the switch. So kapag na-pry mo na siya, go to the middle and then lift up. Pag umangat ang switch, goods. Ito naman sa kabila, just do the same. If you're having a hard time na ma-pry yung switch sa kabila, just yung pinry mo na na other side, clip it back on para hindi sumikip yung kabil. Ako nahihirapan ako nito kasi hindi pa ako sanay nun. First time ko gawin tong mod na to. First time ko rin mag-open ng switch. So once you've done that, you'll have a fully open Outemu switch. So once you've done all of the switches, you've opened them up. Now it's time to lube the springs. Nilagay ko na siya sa isang plastic using some all-purpose oil. Just drop some few oils and then shake for 30 seconds and massage for 30 seconds. So there, may ka na. May lube springs ka na. Now here I'm going to show you how I lube my switches using some Cryotox 205G0 by the sides, 3 strokes up, and from the middle go around and poke the middle part, the hole. Once you've done that, ito yung parang red stem ba to? Again, 3 strokes at the sides. And then ang ginawa ko, nilagyan ko rin ng oil yung bump niya at saka yung gitna, pinaikot-ikot ko para gusto ko lang rin. So once you've done that, you'll have a fully lubed switch. Just assemble it back. It's quite easy. Be careful not to misalign. Nabalik ko na yung mga switch. Ito na siya. Lube lahat. No problem. So, ito yung sound test. As you can see, I use O-rings. Why did I use O-rings? Personal preference ko lang. Parang para sa akin mas tahimik yun. It's a little bit scratchier than without them, but I can deal with the scratchiness rather than the loudness. First mod, and I'm pretty happy with the result. And by the way, success yung video natin sa review ng keyboard na to. Go check it out and maybe subscribe to the channel for more these kinds of videos. Bye, see you on the next laptop mag-aayos na yung laptop. Yeah.